Hey, it's Dave from Sendpush, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start to edit and make our white label agency landing page your own. So obviously, you're going to need a way to explain to people what this service is and what it can do, and have a place where people can go to learn more about your services, right? So this is a beautiful done for you landing page where you can basically just come in and add your logo, add your specific company information, make any changes that you really want to it, and then use it as a way to market your push notification service with Sendpush. Okay, and this is pretty easy to do. This particular landing page is made with a platform called lovable.dev. Many of you who are watching this may know what that is already. You may be using it already. Some of you may have not used it yet, but it makes sharing pages like this really, really easy. They're all pre-designed, ready to go. You just use AI and a simple prompt to make the changes. There are also a million videos like on YouTube that show you how to use Lovable. So this is not going to be a masterclass in Lovable, but what I am going to show you how to do is like where to access the template, how to actually add it to a Lovable account, and how to do some very basic things in there. I'll also show you how you can connect your custom domain right inside Lovable, or we also have another tool that can help you create an embed code so you can add this landing page in somewhere like High Level or a WordPress install, and we'll take you through all of that. So really quick, this is what it looks like. Beautiful landing page. You can put a video sales letter here, or video where you're explaining, what the service is and what it does and what the benefits are. But really stunning looking landing page. It really lays it all out for a small business owner. And also notice the copy on the page. All of the copy is really based upon the benefits to the small business owner. We did our best to kind of keep the tech jargon and the tech talk about the software itself and what it does to a minimum here. But obviously, you do need to explain, what this is and how it works. So it's all done for you. All you've really got to do here is add your logo. Down here in the footer, add your specific company information. Here. We would really recommend adding a privacy policy, terms of service. And these are all linked here to specific parts of the page, right? Super simple. Now check this out too. This is also included with this template. It's a section called playbooks, right? So you can use these in your marketing. You can send small businesses here to get a deeper understanding of what this is and how it works and how it can benefit them. We have all these different playbooks or kind of use cases for how this technology can be used to help small businesses, right? And you can go through these and read them, but they're all included here, okay? Here's another area that you're probably going to want to change is learn more, right? Book a demo. I would just link this to a calendar. And each one of these playbooks has this small call to action down at the bottom of it, right? So these are all included here for you, ready to go. You're gonna absolutely want to add your logo, get started. I think this would probably link to your calendar or your call to action. Maybe it's a form somebody fills out, whatever it happens to be for you and your business specifically. And then also the information in the footer here. So the next question is, how do you actually, edit this? So the first thing that you're going to have to do is create an account at lovable.dev. Again, lovable.dev. And under this video, there's going to be a link that's going to take you to a page that looks just like this, right? This is my share page here on Lovable. This is where the template is. So after you create your account and you're logged in, click on that link below the video here, And this is the template right here, the Sendpush Agency White Label Lander. I'm going to click on that. It's going to open it up inside your Lovable account, again, where you can kind of take a look at it, right? Now, what you want to do is click this button up here in the right-hand corner. It's called Remix. Remix is just their fancy term for, add this template to my account so I can edit it. So if we click Remix, you will then click Remix again, just to confirm. And there we go, right? So now you can start to work with Lovable to make the necessary edits, right? So, as an example, if you wanted to edit this button up here, edit like where it goes to or what it's linked to, all you've got to do is click Edit, click on the actual button here. It's loading up the preview. There we go. Click on the button, and you could just say something like link button to, we'll just put in Google for now, and send that. So it's kind of like just having a chat with AI. But what's cool is that you can, if you click this edit button here, you can choose specific elements on the page that you want to make edits to, and Lovable will just know what you're talking about. So now it says I'll make the Get Started button link to Google. All right, and there we go. It's done it, right? So now if we click off of Edit here and we click Get Started, boom, we go to Google, right? We've changed the link on the button. Same thing goes with the logo. So you could just, click on the logo here. You can literally just drag and drop your logo into the chat and say to Lovable, swap the current logo with the attached image or the attached logo I've given you. Hit send and it will add it there for you. You can then make adjustments to it. You can ask it to make it smaller, larger, stuff like that. Pretty straightforward and simple. And again, there is a million videos on YouTube. You can also, if you really get stuck, you can reach out to our support and we'll try to help you the best we can. We can't, offer support for Lovable itself, but if you get stuck, we'll try to help you out to the best of our ability. Also, like down in the footer, another example of what you can do here. If you click the edit button and say we choose this text here, you'll notice it opens up this little dialog box. So you can prompt it to make some changes here, or you can actually, make changes right here. So you could change the font size, the font weight, you could change the color of this text, the alignment, things like that. You can change the padding, and if you click on this text right here, you can actually just change the text, right? And we'll just kind of show you. As soon as you do that, there'll be an option to save here, and whatever you've changed here after you hit save, those changes will reflect right on the website. So super simple. I would say this, if you're just getting started with Lovable, it might take you a little bit longer, but if you've used it before, these changes and updates are rather quick. Okay. So the next part, after you have you've made the necessary changes to the site here in Lovable, is you're going to want to connect the domain to it, obviously. So a couple ideas here for you. If you already have like a main agency website, you may want to just create like a subdomain. So, like whatever it happens to be, passes.yourdomain.com, that you can link to from your main agency site. Now, what's cool is that you can actually host these pages right here in Lovable. So if you, from the chat here, if you click on this drop down and go to settings, and then you'll see an item option here for domains. So you can buy a domain right from Lovable. You will have to have a pro account, a paid account, in order to actually connect your custom domain. So it's $25 a month, or there's some other workarounds for things that you can do. You can send the code to GitHub, and then there's some other ways that you can connect a custom domain. But I would say the easiest thing for you to do is to simply just set up the hosting with Lovable here, and it's like a couple clicks and it connects a custom domain for you. You can do a subdomain, so a subdomain of your agency website, or you can go register a new domain. Totally up to you, whatever works for your specific business. But we also do have another option here for you on how you can actually just embed this page into like a high-level account, or perhaps like a WordPress install. And I'm going to show you that right now. All right, so we created a cool, simple little tool that will allow you to take, let me just show you actually. So we're going to come over here, right? What you want to do first is just publish this. So you're going to hit publish. This kind of makes a link for you that you can use to view the actual page that you've added to your account and that you edited with your agency's information. Just takes a second to publish here. So now it's given us a link, right? I'm going to grab that, and there's going to be a link for this little tool under the video also, okay? So take that link, and this is a embed code generator specifically for this page. So I'm going to take that URL, I'm going to paste it in here, and then I'm going to click generate embed code, okay? So now I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to come over, I'll use high level as an example here. Okay, so I'm over in high level now, and I'm just on a blank, web page that I've built here. We're just going to pull in, we'll pull a column in, and then we're going to add, a full width section within that. Whoops, sorry about that. We'll pull that down here, and now we're going to add, where is my embed code? There we go. Boom. So I just dropped in an embed code or custom HTML block. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to open the code editor over here, and I'm going to paste this in. This is the embed code I copied, right? We're going to hit save, and we'll save it here, and we're going to take a look at it. And how cool is this? Boom, there is your landing page right inside of a high-level page. So you actually don't have to have, any hosting involved or anything like that. You obviously can do that in Lovable, but if you wanted to just, simply add this page to a page on your website or something, you can just use our embed generator tool to generate this cool embed and use it right within your own website or another type of web builder. And again, we'll put the link for that little embed generator below the video here also. So that is it for now. It should be relatively easy for you to make this your own, get it added to your website or connected to a custom domain. And as I said before, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to our support. We'll try our best to help you out as good as we can. Thanks.